Stars and Solar System, Class 8th, Chapter 17, First Part. You are familiar with these terms, so stars and solar system. Now in this chapter we will study about universe, galaxy, stars and constellations, moon and its phases, the solar system, other celestial body and artificial satellites. Now, the universe. Universe includes whole of existing space around the earth and all heavenly bodies contained within it. It means the universe includes the earth and all the heavenly bodies like stars, planets, satellites and several other celestial bodies. Celestial bodies, these are the heavenly bodies and these we see in the sky. The science of observation and study of composition, behavior and other information about stars, planets, moons, asteroids. So this is called astronomy. Children, astronomy means this is the science of observation and study of composition, behavior and other informations about stars, planets, moons, asteroids, etc. Life is possible only on earth due to special conditions which are present only on the earth, and these special conditions are presence of water, presence of oxygen, minerals in soils and large amount of energy from the sun, spinning or rotation of the earth around its axis. So this causes day and night. Now inside box, the universe is unimaginable vast space which includes anything which exists like stars, galaxy and other heavenly bodies. Revolution of earth around sun causes change of weather. Rotation of earth causes day and night and revolution of earth around the sun. So this causes change of weather. Now the next topic is galaxy. In daytime, only sun is visible in the sky. As soon as the sun sets, the sky appears full of twinkling stars. And there are billions of stars in the universe which are not uniformly distributed. These occur in the form of huge bunches or cluster. Such a group of cluster, so this is called galaxy. The sun, the earth, and other planets and all the stars that we see in the sky belong to a galaxy called Milky Way. It is also called Akash Ganga. Milky Way, this is called Akash Ganga. The shape of our galaxy, this is spiral, and it is assumed that there are some 10's power 11 galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy contains 10's power 11 stars in it. Now the topic is stars. Stars, these are heavenly bodies that are extremely hot and emit light, and they consist of very large quantities of gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. The light radiated by the stars makes them visible or shine. Stars are very big heavenly bodies. They are much larger than the earth. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. The next nearest star, this is Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri, this is the second nearest star. Some are even larger than the sun, but they appear small and dim because they are very far away from us. Now the inside box for your information. Light takes about 500 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth. That is distance of 15 crore kilometer. And light from some other stars takes a million years. Stars appear to move from east to west in the sky as the earth rotates from west to east. However, the pole star or the Polaris appears to be fixed in the sky. This is because it lies above the imaginary axis of rotation of the earth in the north, and it is also called Dhruv Tara. The color of stars depends upon its temperature. Most of the stars are so far away from Earth that light from them takes millions of years to reach us. The distance of the star is therefore expressed in terms of light years. 1 light year, this is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. The speed of light is about 3 lakh kilometer per second. Therefore, 1 light year, this is equal to distance traveled by light in 1 year, or distance traveled by light in 1 second multiplied by number of seconds in 1 year, or 3 lakh multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 60 multiply 60. 3 lakh, this is the speed of light. 365, these are the number of days. 24, this is the hours in 1 day. 60, this is the minutes in 1 hour. And 60, this is the second in the 1 minute. So this is 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer. Thus, 1 light year is equal to nearly 10 million kilometers. Another unit used to measure distance between heavenly bodies, this is astronomical unit, AU, and it is the average distance between the earth and the sun. One astronomical unit, this is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 8 kilometer. The time taken by sunlight to reach earth, this is only 8.3 minutes.